Antibiotics have been a crucial tool in medicine since their discovery in the early 20th century. They have saved countless lives and revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections. However, the overuse and misuse of antibiotics have led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which is a growing public health concern. To address this issue, new technologies are being developed to reduce the use of antibiotics and to promote the development of alternative treatments. In this article, we will explore the use of antibiotics in medicine, including synthetic and natural antibiotics, and the challenges associated with their use. Synthetic antibiotics have been widely used in medicine for decades. These antibiotics are chemically synthesized in laboratories and are often more effective than natural antibiotics. However, the overuse of synthetic antibiotics has led to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which has become a serious global health concern. To address this issue, new technologies are being developed to reduce the use of synthetic antibiotics and to promote the development of alternative treatments. One approach to reducing the use of synthetic antibiotics is to develop new drugs that are less likely to cause antibiotic resistance. For example, researchers are developing new antibiotics that target specific bacterial proteins, making it harder for bacteria to develop resistance. In addition, researchers are exploring new ways to use existing antibiotics in combination with other drugs to make them more effective against resistant bacteria. Natural antibiotics are another option being explored, as they are often less likely to cause antibiotic resistance than synthetic antibiotics. Natural antibiotics are compounds produced by living organisms that can kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. For example, penicillin, one of the first antibiotics used in medicine, is derived from a naturally occurring fungus. Natural antibiotics are also being developed from other sources, such as plants and marine organisms. One of the challenges in developing natural antibiotics is identifying the compounds that are effective against bacteria. New technologies are being developed to screen large numbers of natural compounds for antibiotic activity. For example, researchers are using high-throughput screening methods to identify natural compounds that can kill bacteria. In addition, researchers are using genome mining to identify the genes responsible for producing natural antibiotics in living organisms. Another trend in the use of antibiotics is the development of alternative treatments that do not rely on antibiotics. For example, researchers are developing vaccines that can prevent bacterial infections from occurring in the first place. In addition, researchers are exploring the use of phage therapy, which uses viruses that infect and kill bacteria, as an alternative to antibiotics. These approaches have the potential to reduce the use of antibiotics and to promote the development of alternative treatments for bacterial infections. In addition to these trends, there is also a growing focus on the development of new technologies that can improve the effectiveness and safety of antibiotics. For example, researchers are using nanotechnology to develop new antibiotics that can target bacterial infections more effectively. Nanoparticles can be used to deliver antibiotics directly to bacteria, reducing the risk of side effects and improving the effectiveness of the treatment. Despite the many advantages of antibiotics, there are also significant challenges associated with their use. One of the main challenges is the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which can occur due to the overuse and misuse of antibiotics. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria can cause serious health problems and are becoming increasingly difficult to treat.